Hello everyone, and welcome to Publitips again. One feature in 1 minute. Today we're going to highlight our page manager. You head down here and you hit this option here. This is very much useful for people that have already launched their content and would like to either replace or rearrange a piece of that content. Now, again, this works like a charm for someone that, let's say, is looking for rearranging content, and if you've already worked on a page, the work or the tags and hotspots travel with it. Also great for, let's say, uploading new content, and let's say if I want to replace a cover, that is also possible. Don't forget to save and finish, especially. But this is great for already live content and you want to change it a bit, for last minute offers, for changes on the cover and such, and small changes in content as well. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, please contact our team. Have a nice one.